Hi guys, welcome back. Today with a new topic. So today I'm going to tell you how can you create a coming soon page on your WordPress website. So first of all, you need to log into your WordPress website, and after that you need to go to your dashboard, and after that just click on plugins, then click on add new plugin. So here we need to search for a plugin name called Seedpod. Seedpod. So let me search for it. Seedprod. So the name is Seedprod. So let me search the plugin. So here is the plugin Seed Website Builder by Seedprod, Theme Builder and Landing Page. So by Seedprod. So we need to install it and activate this plugin. So in this plugin they have a lot of features. So especially landing pages, they have free and pro version of landing pages. So using this plugin we can make our maintenance and coming soon page. So just click on get started as well, and after that it's totally up to you if you want to continue on save and continue. So I will just click on close and exit wizard without saving. So now let me here click on setup a coming soon page. So let me click on here, and here it will not allow you until you just click on just enter your email and click on get free templates. So I will click on here get free templates. So now it will now allow me, and now I will just exit this page here and I will go back to again here. So it's totally up to you. Now we have free and the pro version as well, the coming soon pages. So I will choose this one here and I will click on it. So now let me show you, and here you can see you can add your logo here. So let me remove this logo from here and let me choose my own logo. So for example, I have this logo. Let me insert anything from here. So this one here. So for example, this is my logo, so I can add this logo here. Then here, if I want to change any content, so I can change it. So for example, we are coming soon. And then here is our contact us button. So then just click on 9 dots here. So you can choose image. So if you want to add image or video, so you can add a video here. So you can see here is the Seedprod video. So let me just remove this one from here and let me click on here. And if you want to add a divider, image, list, text, is totally up to you. If you want to add a contact form, so for example, so you can activate the WP forms and you can insert your content form here. So let me delete this one as well. Then I will click on save changes and let me preview it from here. So now you can see we have this we are coming soon page here. So if you want to change the background image, so just click on here settings and then click on background. So here if you want to change the color or the image, so for example, if you want to change it to this image, so you can see you have changed it. And if you want to insert another image, so for example this one or anything that you want to insert, so you can see it's totally up to you. And let me choose another image from here. For example, I think this one was looking good. And if you want to change the color, so just go to the advanced section here, change the color. So for example, make it black. Here just go back here and make it black as well. If you want to change the image, so let me choose something else. So for example, if I want to choose this one here, so it's looking quite good with it. And then if you want to change the template, so just go to page settings here, and from here choose template. Again choose any template that you want to that you want to change from here. So just click on coming soon so you can change your template from here as well. So I will go back to again Seedpod here, and here we have, let me click on it again, and let me sorry if I missed, if I doesn't made the changes, so it will be a trouble for us. So let me go back. Okay, I did it. So just let me click on save here, and let me go back here again, and let me click on active here. So now it's done, and let me just log out and see if I can see this page, and let me go to website. So now you can see we are coming soon, so we are working on something really good. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, so you can ask in the comment section. Kindly don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.